Hello there. I'm gonna show you how to turn off an iPhone. It's go to iPhone X, iPhone XR, XS, or 11 or 12 Pro, normal. That's all. Okay, in the previous versions of iPhones, we use only that key to lock our phone and to turn off. We just press down and then slide in, okay? That's really similar, but we need to use also volume down button. We need to use lock button and the volume down, okay? Do you see that? Okay, so now we push this and this at the same time, okay? And now we can turn it off. Okay, so to turn it on, we need to push only the lock button, like on the older version. Only lock button. Let's try. Okay, and now it's going to turn on. Thank you very much. Bye.